In this video, we will learn about the solubility. Now, what is solubility? The maximum amount of a substance that can be dissolved in a specified amount of solvent. Normally, it is water at a given temperature is called as solubility of that substance. It is normally defined as follows. So, we can tell that solubility is the number of grams of the solute, that is the substance that can be dissolved in 100 grams of solvent, that is water, at specified temperature to make saturated solution. For example, a maximum of 34 grams of potassium chloride can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius. Hence, solubility of potassium chloride in water is 34 grams at 20 degrees Celsius. Now, different substances dissolve to different extents in the same volume of the given solvent at a given temperature. They have different solubilities. Now, if we want to determine the solubility of a solid at a particular temperature, we have a small experiment. So, here the aim is to determine solubility of a solid. Materials required is a porcelain dish, sand bath, 10 ml of saturated solution. Now, procedure is we have to weigh a clean and dry empty porcelain dish, prepare a saturated solution of the given substance at specific temperature, let's say T degrees Celsius. Now we have to take 10 ml of this prepared saturated solution in the dish, and again we have to weigh and keep a record of the weight. Now slowly and carefully heat the porcelain dish containing the solution until the whole of the solvent, that is water, evaporates off, leaving behind the solid residue. Now cool the dish and again we have to weigh. So the experimental setup looks something like this. We have the sand bath above which we have the porcelain dish, and upon heating the saturated solution, the solvent water will evaporate. Now we have recorded all the weights. So first we have to record mass of the empty dish, that is W1 gram. Second is mass of the dish plus saturated solution, that becomes W2 gram. Now third is mass of the dish plus residue left after the evaporation of solvent, that is W3 gram. Now we have to calculate the mass of the solute, that will be W3 minus W1. Mass of the solvent will be W2 minus W3 grams. Now, how do we measure the solubility of the substance? It is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solvent into 100. So, we can write W3 minus W1 divided by W2 minus W3 into 100 at T degrees Celsius. Now we have various factors that affect the solubility of a solid in a liquid solvent, that is water. First is the nature of solute. Different substances have different solubility at the same given temperature. Second is the nature of solvent. The given solute has again different solubility in different solvents at the same temperature. Third is temperature itself. Normally, solubility of a solid in liquid increases with increase in temperature. However, the solubility of some substances, example, compounds of calcium, decrease with increase in temperature. Now, in fact, the solubility of those substances which dissolve in water with absorption of heat increases with increase in temperature, whereas the substances which became soluble by dissolving in water with evolution of heat, they will decrease with increase in temperature. Now we have an example. So solubility of potassium nitrate increases with increase in temperature, whereas solubility of calcium oxide, that is lime, will decrease with increase in temperature because there is evolution of heat. Now we can see the table where you can see the solubility of potassium nitrate at different temperature. So at 10 degree, the saturated solution will be at 21 grams. At 20 degree, it is 32 grams. As the temperature increases, the solubility is increasing, so the saturation point is increasing. So at 40 degree, we need 62 grams. At 60 degrees, we need 106 grams. At 80 degrees, we need 167 grams. Now we have pressure factor. The solubility of a solid solute in a liquid solvent is not much affected by pressure. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.